In this video, I'm going to show you how to borrow money from Cash App. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So to borrow money from Cash App, you typically have to meet certain eligibility criteria and follow the steps. So first, launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Now tap on the Banking tab at the bottom of the screen and look for options related to loans or borrowing. So Cash App may offer loans if you qualify based on your transaction history and other factors. So Cash App will determine your eligibility based on factors such as your account activity and history. If eligible, follow the instructions provided by Cash App to apply for and receive the loan. Now carefully review the terms of the loan, including interest rates and repayment schedule. So if you agree to the terms, accept the loan offer. Once accepted, the funds will be deposited into your Cash App account. Now you want to ensure you understand when and how the loan needs to be repaid according to the terms you agreed to. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.